please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, I'm going to open 2 packs of Bowman 2022. It comes with 12 cards. And maybe I'll find another card, odds in the back right there. Let's see what kind of treasure we'll find. Here's the first pack for the day. Drum roll, please. Oh, first one. I got him again. Next one. I have the same pack I just opened. Oh my god, that's kind of funny. Yep, this is going to be the same. Except this is the Rookie of the Year. A little different. First Bowman. First Bowman. Guess what? First Bowman. Here's that Bowman from. And first Bowman. Yeah, I got some rookies. That's kind of funny. But it's a repeat, but good cards. So can't really complain. Oh my god, I think you were the same card. Oh, yeah, so cool. The gear. Random. Card. Got a lot of first timers here. Last one. First Bowman. I think this tag team with someone else in the background. Last one. Johnny Mo. So that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. 2 packs for you guys. So thanks for watching. Bye.